What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark back with another video. In this video I will be showing you how I missed a complete setup that was clear, that I had marked up, and what going against the trend will actually get you. Alright, so if you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. Alright guys, so this morning this was news. Alright, this was news. As you can see, we had it marked up. And we was on a Zoom call, y'all. I even said, team, look, if price break above this resistance, it's going to go up to this pivot. If it break out the support, she going to go down and test this pivot. She did exactly what she said, right? But when 9:30 came, alright, it dropped so fast. Alright, and usually on Mondays, what it normally do, it'll drop the opposite direction, and that'll be the entry, and then boom, you know what I'm saying, it'll buy. Or it'll push, and then you'll just catch that wick, and then it'll sell. But this morning, she just bust straight out the gate. Alright, but the crazy part about it, so we caught the sell earlier, alright? We caught the sell up here. I think we caught it. Yeah, we caught the sell over here, alright? We caught the sell over here, like London session. She dropped, boom, we was in profit. Then it started doing this consolidation. Alright. Now, this morning on the call, I called a buy. Alright, I called a buy, but I did not take the buy here. I did not get cooked off of this. Okay, I did not get cooked right here. Let me show you what happened. So, boom, I was looking for the buy. I was about to enter for the buy, but it dropped so fast I couldn't even enter for a sell or buy. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, okay, she don't want to break this. I think I had it like right here. Yeah, I had it like right here. I like, okay, she don't want to break this support right here. All right. So what I had did, got in right here for the buy. Right. She didn't go nowhere. So what I did was got in right here for the buy. She didn't go nowhere. So I took a small loss, alright. I took like a $20 loss, alright, because my entry was small. I was testing it out. I was waiting for the push. Didn't get it. So took a small loss right here. Didn't catch none of this sell, which I did. Alright. Now right here I enter again. I enter for the buy. I expected it to come all the way up here. Boom. I was like, okay, we got the reversal. Looked like it was about to come all the way up. Still didn't come all the way up. So I took profit with 7K. Alright, took profit. That was that. Took profit with 7K right here. That was that. Could have got in for the sale, guys, but I did not take the sale. Come on, y'all. So, like, you gotta catch them. I did not take the sale, right? So when I got out, I did not take the sale. Guys, I don't know what's been going on, but lately it's just like I've been sticking to one like movement. Like if I have a trade set up and it don't go my way, you feel me? Like if I get profit out on my trade, then I'm taking my profit. But I don't like to like get in, look for a buy, and it's dropping and dropping and dropping. I didn't have no intentions of the trade, you know what I'm saying, selling. So it's like, why would I hop in the sell? I don't got no setup for the sell. That's kind of smart, you feel me? But then again, it's like, damn, you missing out on all these pips, right? You missing out on all these pips looking for the buy. But that will save your account, because at the end of the day, when you're not comfortable with doing certain things and you just hopping in the trade just because it's doing certain things and you have no setup for it, you can still get cooked getting in the sale. Like you could have got into the sale late and it started doing all this and it looked like it's buying and you got out and then it dropped again. Or you could even did it right here again. Man, it's selling, let me hop back in. Boom. And it started buying and you get out or hit your stop loss because it was so tight, and then boom, it sell again. So it don't matter if you would have took the sales, it's how you enter the sales. You get what I'm saying? So I missed all of the entries. Then again, I just don't like looking for a certain trade to do something and then it go the opposite way. You feel me? I didn't have a setup for a sale. And that's another thing I think I should start doing, is having a setup for both. Okay, if it does this, you feel me, it's gonna go here. Like I did this morning, like kind of like this. But it's like it happened so fast, y'all. I'm telling you, it happened so fast. I couldn't even I couldn't get in. But that's how I missed the setup this morning, y'all. It was a couple of things that I could have did to knew that this was gonna sell. Like my moving averages, I didn't pay attention to my moving averages. I had a sloppy morning. I didn't pay attention to my moving averages, y'all. I didn't pay attention to my other indicators. It was just so many things, you know, telling us that it was going to sell, and I bought. All right. Because I was looking for the buy. So I missed all the movement, but I caught little movements in here. Still made 7K and not complaining. Like, I'm very grateful. Like, for me to make 7K off of this movement, guys, is still, you know, good profit. But it's like, damn, this could have been probably a 100K day, depending on the lot size that I would have used. You know what I'm saying? If we would have caught it at the top. Because remember, I said we was already in a sale before all of this happened. Me and Jones called out a signal last night in the group. A sniper. I could have held my entry, y'all. And I would have been, like, major up. I don't know, like I said. But I thought, you know, boom. You know, NAS already low. Then we had the RSI at, like, 10. It was at, like, 5. Like, the RSI was super duper low. So I'm like, boom, it got to buy. Boom. Gave us just a little bit. Dropped again. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just now. I'm in for a buy right now. All right, because I see the rejection off this pivot, and it just looked like it's ready to come up now. Like, this could be the shoulder. This could be the head. Might create a shoulder and then buy. You know what I'm saying? Like a reverse head and shoulders. That's what I'm, you know, looking for it to do. So I am actually in a buy right now. And I'm just, you know, waiting for it to, you know, give me what I was looking for, because NAS 100 do have a lot of space that it has to come back and, you know, test. Guys, these is the top stocks: Apple, Facebook, Twitter, you know, all that stuff, guys. So at the end of the day, it's gonna get back right. And when you do catch that entry with the buy, you just hold it. Just let it go. You feel me? You also gotta always go to the 4-hour time frame. That's what these are right here. Alright, as you could see though, on the 4-hour time frame, I probably should have moved this down a little bit more to like right here. Alright, this was like my support, alright, on the 4-hour. As you can see, it bounced off here, went all the way up, bounced off here, bounced off, came all the way back down. So it could be going back up, alright? Could be going back up to test this resistance, or it could be breaking the support. We're just on the lookout for it, but we caught it low. All right, you always buy low, so it's low. It's at my higher time support. Okay, it's at my higher time frame support. We got some rejection here on the 4-hour, getting a green candle. On the 15-minute time frame is where I like to take my entries. As you see, we're getting some type of, you know, we're getting some type of bullish momentum. But at the end of the day, you can still see the 4-hour markups, all right, and where we could be potentially going. So let's zoom out of this. Let's zoom out of this, y'all. All right, let's zoom out of this right quick. Look. So it be clear. It be clear, guys. It be very, very clear. You just gotta take your time with the trades. You know what I'm saying? You gotta take your time with the trades. Look over everything to the left, because everything to the left is what happened. All right, right here, we kind of got the same thing. If you look to the left, all right, same area. It dropped at the same area. Boom, to the left, drop. Right here, drop. Alright, it be stuff like that. You gotta look to the left. So it's nothing over here to the left. So price never came down this far before. Alright, so this is a new lower low. But you can see the rejection off the pivot. Alright, it's 1149. You can see the rejection off the pivot. Boom, boom, boom. Could be coming up to this pivot right here. And it could just be creating that reverse. It could be that reversal. Alright, and there's other things like I most definitely have on my chart. But I don't put all my sauce on YouTube. You get what I'm saying? So this is just pure market structure. So at the end of the day, man, that's how I missed the setup, guys. It was clear as day. But I did get some profit out of her. And I did take a small loss up in this area. And we did have some people confused on the call, which we highly apologize. My partner did see the sell. He had it marked up, guys. And we still went against the trade, which we normally don't do, guys. We just got to tighten up. So it happens. You know what I'm saying? It happens to the best of all traders. Like everybody miss a setup sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Your eyes can deceive you, your emotions can deceive you, all of that good stuff. But our job is to control all of that and become better traders, all right? And to become efficient with every single trade that we take. So that's that, man. My Instagram will be below. Make sure you check it out. If you like this type of content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I need more likes. I need more views. I need more subscribers. All of that good stuff. Other than that, I'm out.